Spending time with Baba is one of my favorite things to do. He supports us like roots anchoring a tree. Like water, he nurtures us with care. And like sunlight, he helps us grow. That's why it was so strange for our family to watch him slow down. He was passionate about cycling, gardening, and walking. But because of arthritis, he couldn't even stand for more than a couple of minutes. Even a short walk felt like a marathon.
It was year 2014. I was with my friends on a morning walk. It was half an hour after walk. I felt severe pain in my right leg, especially I thought my knee is affected. The problem was very much in the knee. In my working career, I was very active. I led a field life all through. With 40 years in tea plantations, after a year, say in 2015, I went to Singapore. So one day a whole family decided to go to beach. We were waiting for a taxi. He called a taxi, but I was unable to stand even for 5 minutes to wait for the taxi. My legs were locked. We all discussed this problem must be controlled. So next time when my son visited me in Lucknow, he had the X-ray done and then said, "You require knee replacement." My family supported me. That motivated me. I have decided to go for knee replacement. And within 2 months it was done. 1 year after my knee replacement surgery, I went to Europe with my family, which was a very good experience, and I enjoyed that trip very much. If time permits, once again I will like to visit Europe. After 13 years of my knee replacement surgery, this day, and the age of 83, I don't use a stick to walk around or climb stairs. Cycling is for 30 to 35 minutes every day, which is my main workout. Stair climbing is 20 to 25 minutes. Gardening is other, say 25 to 30 minutes. That is the daily routine I have. Walking is for another 15 to 20 minutes. I feel alive, I feel independent, and my life is pain-free. My suggestion for everyone who have such problem, don't delay the surgery, because your body deserves better, your family deserves better, and you deserve better.